I once went to a friend's home, and this house was extremely fancy. Like the walls, the decor, the antique pieces in the house. It was all like classy, And I was sitting there. My friend was just kind of attending to something and going to come, and then we were going to sit and chat. So as I was waiting for my friend to finish off some errands that he was looking at, suddenly, one of the beautiful paintings that was framed in a photo frame fell down. मतलब मुझे लगा कि earthquake आ गया, कैसे गिरा? I don't know how it fell off. It kind of fell off because I think probably one of the screws was loose. Something must have happened. The domestic help probably was cleaning the day before. It was not hanging right. It fell off. Fortunately, it didn't break. The domestic help immediately came, listening to the sound, and decided to put it back in its place. But जब वो नीचे गिरा ना, at that time I saw something interesting. Behind the photo frame was a big crack in the wall. उस फ्रेम के पीछे ना एक बहुत बड़ी दरार थी, एक क्रैक था, और इन्होंने उस क्रैक को छिपाने के लिए वो फोटो फ्रेम लगा दिया था. When there's a crack in the wall, painting the wall or putting a fancy wallpaper on the wall or hanging a nice painting on the wall or hanging a nice artistic antique piece on the wall doesn't deal with the crack. अगर क्रैक को रिपेयर नहीं करेंगे तो कितना ही फैंसी ऊपर से कुछ भी लगा दीजिएगा, दीवार कमजोर हो रही है. And which is why hiding the crack doesn't resolve the crack. Repairing the crack does. A lot of times in our lives, in our mental health, in our relationships, we try to hide the crack inside. अंदर एक बड़ी दरार होती है. कभी कभी रिश्तों में एक बड़ी दरार होती है. हम लोग उसको अच्छे पेंटिंग से, आर्टिस्टिक वॉलपेपर से छिपा देते हैं. हॉलीडे पे चलते हैं, एक अच्छी गिफ्ट लेके देते हैं एक दूसरों को, अच्छे मीठे मीठे वर्ड्स बोल के कवर अप करते हैं. लेकिन अंदर जो चल रहा है, वो दरार आ रही है, जो क्रैक आ रही है, उसको छिपा दिया, डील नहीं किया. वी आर कवरिंग अप, वी आर नॉट एड्रेसिंग इट. एंड अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम्स वी ट्राई टू कवर अप एंड camouflage that by distracting ourselves. Watch a movie, go out on a picnic, chat with somebody, or get busy on social media scrolling through reels, watch some shows on OTT platforms and entertain yourself, or probably get into substance abuse, alcoholism, habits that could be a bit not so constructive for our growth and for dealing with the crack. दोस्तों, दीवार पर की दरार को छिपाकर दरार ठीक नहीं होती. दरार को अगर हम रिपेयर करेंगे, if we repair that crack, then every painting, every artistic piece, every wallpaper is an embellishment. Paintings are not a problem, artistic pieces are not a problem, wallpaper are not a problem. They are embellishments if the wall is good. But if the wall has a crack and if we cover that crack up with these things, instead of being an embellishment, it just becomes a cover up, guys. Therefore, the most important aspect is to be able to deal with the crack and not go by a cover.